Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see Vissco ankle foot orthoses, product code 0740. The Vissco ankle foot orthosis maintains the correct foot position and prevents foot drop deformity. It is used in case of common peroneal nerve palsy, foot drop, and stroke. It is made up of medical-grade plastic to enhance the durability and includes padding to make it more comfortable to wear. For the product to be most effective, you need to know your shoe size to select the right size ankle-foot orthosis. Based on the shoe size, you can select your size from small, medium, and large. Also do note, the product for right and left foot are different, so choose accordingly. Let's see how to wear the product. First, take out the stockinette provided with the orthosis and slide it over your leg like wearing a socks. Now take the orthosis and place it over the leg so that the flat end of the orthosis is under the foot. Make sure there is no gap between the heel and the orthosis. Next, fix it with the Velcro strap over the foot. Lastly, apply the Velcro strap over the midcalf and lock it. Congratulations! Your Vissco ankle foot orthosis is now ready for use.